Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Quartz with my Shen. So today is day 3 here in Punta Cana, Dominican Republic, and we are actually going to a boat party. It's a boat, snorkeling, and there's also like a natural pool. So apparently there's a place at the middle of the beach here that is like stomach level. Technically the water is low, so it's like a natural pool. Anyways, I'll show you guys everything we're gonna do. But yeah, this is the outfit. Let's go to the mirror so I can show you guys more of the outfit. So here is the outfit of today. Okay, so yeah, let's go have a good time. Oh, it's nice in here. Ooh, we are going to the excursion. Ooh, we packed in here. We are packed in here, y'all. So we made it to the place. We are actually registering right now. The beach is right there. So we are here. We are actually following our guide all the way up here to the actual boat. Hello, ladies. Hey. Hey. We are walking to get in that small boat. Then that small boat will take us to the bigger boat all the way there. And that's where the area is. I got my snorkeling shoes. And that's where we got all of our stuff. That's like the little office. The water is pretty blue. I like that. I like that. I like that. I like that. So we are here. I got my life jacket on, and then I'm just waiting for us to get on the boat. Some people are already getting in. So waiting for when they come back. I got my shoes here for snorkeling, and yeah, I'm excited. Should be a 2.5 hours activity, so we're gonna have a good time, baby. Woo, the water. The water just touched my feet. We going. It's time to transfer to the bigger boat. Let's go. Watch your hands. Watch your hands. Hey, she hit the floor. Next thing you know, low, 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 low. So we came upstairs, y'all. Now I'm with this mumu. Ski! Yes, we did it! Yeah, we came up. Ski! I was recording.
Mama, you're doing so good. Thank you. You're amazing. Right here. I'm not going anywhere. Catch me an Nemo. Catch me an Nemo. Catch me an Nemo. The sun in the water is crazy.
Woo!
Serious. Right, exactly. I get it. That was my I grabbed it out. Oh, that guy's so area.
my phone to the captain because I don't want to risk it. I don't want to risk it getting wet. But y'all get the gist. It's the beach, but we can stand. And the music playing, we're drinking, they're about to give us snacks, all that good stuff. I don't think my phone is gonna stay here. I'm scared. I don't wanna get wet. We outside! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Thank you! They're throwing us snacks. Thank you so much. Woo! Passport, let's go! Wanna look like me? I bet your little brother wanna fuck on me. I still have my phone, y'all. Y'all see how much I love YouTube? Y'all better like, comment, and share this video because I'm risking my phone, okay? I'm risking my phone. Look who's around. She's always near. She's never far. Let's go. Let's go. That's my sissy, y'all. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. No shaking ass. Fifi, money is good. Money is good. Money is good. Money is good. Yo, they're selling the water. Yes. Let's go. Let's go. They're living the natural pool, y'all. Here's the pirate ship, y'all. Let's go! My friend Kiki is driving us. Let's go! Right. Let's go, Captain. Let's go, Captain. She's actually literally driving us. She's really driving us. Coming to an end, we're already getting our stuff so we can get off the road. Thank you guys so much for watching today's vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe down below. It's free to notification bell on so you can get notified every single time I upload a new video. And I'll catch you guys on the next one. Go watch the next vlog. Bye bye.